blend in, but like what I tell you, what I say, okay, what I say. Look at that, like, look at the material, look at what we're working with, okay. City girls are up, hairline and everything. Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video, we are working with Beauty Forever hair, and these are some of the goodies that they included inside the packaging. So thank you so much, Beauty Forever hair, for sponsoring today's video. This is actually my second time working with a Beauty Forever hair, and the first hair did not disappoint, as well as this. Oh my gosh, you guys see this? Do you guys see this hair? This is actually a U-part wig. It is no lace whatsoever. All you need to do is basically just clip it on and you're good to go. Like, listen, like, just hear me out. It is summer right now, currently in South Africa. Who has the time to be out here laying down that lace, to be out there in the sun, hot, scorching African sun, just being out there with the lace on and just making sure that the lace does not lift, like all these issues, all those troubles? Who has time for that? Not me. Okay, like literally not me. So this is how the wig looks like inside. You have this little clip-ins that you pop on and off once you... I'll show you how I installed it, but it was super easy, hence why this video is also really short, because there wasn't much to be done to this hair. All I did was curl it a little bit because I wanted the curls more loose wave, not the texture that it came with. But yeah, it is beautiful. This is a 250% density, 26 inches. Yeah, and I know you see my hair is a bit of afro kinky. Don't worry, when I am done, you will not know why I hate you. Like, I am obsessed with this install, also because in 5 minutes I put it on, I'm actually just done. Okay, those little strips that come in with the wig, you have to cut them off, as well as the lace behind it. The reason why they included those little elastic band in between is because if you get a wig and you don't like it and you want to return it, you can still return it if those straps aren't cut. So it's just a way of the factory to know that you actually never wore the wig. So you have to cut it out once you are ready to wear the wig. This is how I parted my hair. I just took a little bit of the front and measured out how much I need for the middle, and all I do is just open up the clip-ins and slide them right in, and once they're all positioned, I just go in and pop them right on.
X, bring the beat back.
You all saw how easy it was to put it on, right? Now, moving on to my natural hair, I'm using this hair food to kind of just protect my edges. Like, I don't want no issues. I want my hairline still intact. But yeah, I just apply it, and then I went in with my hot comb to sort of blend my hair in a little bit better, and pretty much that's all I did with my natural hair once I parted it down the middle. I know you guys see that, like, don't be scared, don't be scared. Kidilo taka diloti. Me ribi kidilo taka. But yeah, don't be scared. Like, I went in with my hot comb, burned me a little bit. Okay, burned me a little bit because I'm used to hot combing wigs, not my actual hair. But I went in to just make sure that it lays and blends into the actual hair. Like, I'm in love with U-part wigs. Okay, like, I'm in love with U-part wigs. I just know that the next time I am going for a kinky texture, it won't be so much work to blend in. But like, what I tell you, what I say, okay, what I say. Look at that. Like, look at the material. Look at what we're working with. Okay, city girls are up, hairline and everything else. Like, look at that. I even went in and did my edges a little bit, laid down my edges. But yeah, this is my summer hair. Super low maintenance. I don't need to be doing much. 250% density, enough for me. I'm so excited. Like, I'll be rocking this hair all summer long. Okay, but yeah, thank you so much for watching, my loves, this video. I hope that you guys subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and also hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, and I will surely catch you guys in the next upload. Thank you so much for watching.